Discover what Alavenda scientists and explorers confirmed. Discover 6 reasons to visit Puerto Princesa underground river. Discover a 20-million-year-old sirena fossil. Discover a true wonder of nature. Discover how you could win millions.
Opo, may parapol po kami para sa Puerto Princesa Underground River. Maraming mapapanalunan araw-araw, buwan-buwan. At sa grand draw, 5 ang magiging milyonaryo. At isa ang magwawagi ng 25 million pesos. I-text lang ang PPUR at ipadala sa 2861. Sali na ho kayo at baka kayo ang manalo ng 25 million pesos. Bisita na po kayo sa Puerto Princesa.
President Benigno Aquino, incumbent president of the Philippines, visited this wonder of nature and endorsed it with this memorable quote.
This river was carved out of stone by nature. Let us use it to carve out the future for our tourism and the jobs that come with it. But for this to happen, we must all vote. Let's all join together in unity to vote for the Puerto Princesa Underground River. This is our chance.
This is our hope.
This is our way of doing our part for our country. Vote PPUR now to 2861. And let's make the Puerto Princesa Underground River one of the new 7 wonders of nature.